Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, I was over on Brad's channel, BC Truck, Rebuild, Repair, Repurpose. He was doing a little video on a wallet he got and he purchased and he liked a lot. I thought I would do a quick update on a wallet that I got about 5 years ago. I did a video on it and I thought I'd do an update. And it's kind of interesting. It's not really a wallet at all. The reason I purchased the new wallet is I was sort of like George Costanza in the vault. I was always adding stuff to my wallet, so I couldn't fit it in my pocket, and it was uncomfortable carrying that thing around, and I needed to figure out a solution to it. So instead of having something like this that was really big that would fit, it was a trifold. The darn thing would fold over 3 times. It was bigger than a grapefruit. And you know what? I got it changed. So what I did is I did some research and I found a wallet that really wasn't a wallet. It's just a little notepad that comes in an enclosure, and there were some slots in it. You could put cards in it. And I said, let me try this thing. I liked it so much, I ended up buying two of them. I made a video on it, and this is after 5 years. You can see it's still wearing pretty good. The pen that came with it was crap. So after like a month or so, I replaced it with just your average pen. And the cool thing about the pen is that it sticks out a little bit. So when you put this in your pocket, it doesn't fall out. The wallet stays in your pocket. Um, and of course, you always have a writing instrument to write with, and you have your notepad, which is really cool. I don't carry a smartphone, so I put a lot of addresses and phone number stuff on paper. I know like I'm the last person on the planet, but I just keep an old track phone. And it's got plenty of room for credit cards and business cards and folding money down here. I find as time goes by, I'm losing cash. I'm using cash less and less. There's a little bit of wear right here, and there's room for my heart medication if I need it, and I can put a key underneath. And I really don't. If I start adding more, it gets too thick, so I remove something, and so it's limiting on purpose. So I just carry what I need instead of what I feel like putting in my wallet. I'm too lazy to put someplace else. So it's worked out pretty good over 5 years. And if you read the title of the video I made 4 or 5 years ago, it says, "This unusual $5 watt can help you keep focused and organized." That is not true. It has not focused or organized me one bit, but it has reduced the amount of crap I carry around with me, and it's very handy in the fact that I always have something to write with, and it will stay in my pocket. It doesn't slide out. So it's been a pretty cool little wallet for $5. Excuse me. Like I said, I bought another one on eBay, but when I went back to before I made this video, I could not find any of them on eBay. I found something very similar to what I have on Amazon, but it's a tiny, tiny bit smaller. So I'm not sure if this would work as the same, but it looks almost identical. But it seems to be not as long. It's almost as wide. So the credit card and cash should fit fine. You might have to get a smaller notepad, but still like $6, $7. I'll leave a link to it down below in the video description if you're interested to get one. But like I said, it's not sold as a wallet. It's sold as a notepad holder. You look like a waiter or a cop. uh, or a cop waiter. So that's my video for this morning, guys. And hope you like. I put on new videos every week, usually more than one. Have a bunch of cool people that I feature, no relation to me. I think you ought to check out. And I have about 700 videos now, over 10 years now, and about a dozen or so playlists on all sorts of items. So hope you like the video, guys. Come back, watch more, put new stuff all the time, and you'll take care and see you out there. And say hello to George for me. uh,